In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams meeting recap not showing. First, let's open the recap from the correct Teams location. Open Microsoft Teams in your browser by going to teams.microsoft.com/v2 and sign in if Teams asks you to. Once you're in, click Calendar in the left rail. Now we need to open the past meetings recap, so click the past meeting where the recap is missing. Look in the meeting details for the View Recap option and click View Recap if it appears. If the meeting details open a tab page instead, click Recap near the top of the meeting details. If the meeting was part of a recurring series, click the Occurrence drop-down on the Recap page and select the exact date and time for the meeting you want. The Recap page should now show the available meeting material such as the recording, transcript, files, notes, and summary sections. Next, let's confirm whether the meeting had recap source material. Stay on the Past Meeting Details page and look for a recording thumbnail, a transcript thumbnail, or a recap tab. If none of those appear, open the meeting chat from the meeting details. Then click Shared near the top of the meeting chat. Look for a recording or transcript file. If the meeting was not recorded or transcribed, Teams has no source material to build a recap from. That meeting cannot be rebuilt into a full recap after the fact, so the fix is to record or transcribe the next scheduled meeting. Now let's turn on recording and transcription for the next scheduled meeting. Click Calendar in the left rail. Then click the upcoming meeting that should create a recap next time. Click View Event if Teams shows a small preview. Click Options near the top of the meeting details. Then click Recording and Transcription on the left side of the Options page. Turn on Record and Transcribe automatically, then click Apply or Save. For a meeting that is already in progress, use More Actions in the meeting controls. Then choose Record and Transcribe. Then click Start Transcription or Start Recording. After that meeting ends and processing finishes, the recap will have the source material it needs. Next, let's fix access when the recap exists but someone cannot open it. We'll share the recording or recap access from the meeting chat. Click Chat in the left rail. Then open the chat for the past meeting. Click Shared near the top of the chat. Hover over the meeting recording and click More Options on the recording row. Click Copy Link. If the link dialog shows Settings, click Settings. Then choose the link access that matches the people who need the recap. Copy the link and send it to the invited attendee who could not open the recap. Keep in mind that people need access to the recording and transcript before they can access the recap, and guests and external attendees usually need the organizer to share the recording link directly. Lastly, let's identify an admin, license, or AI recap blocker. We'll start by checking what kind of recap is actually missing. Return to the meeting recap page and look for the basic meeting material first, including the recording, transcript, files, and notes. If those are visible but the AI summary, audio recap, or other intelligent recap features are missing, treat it as a license issue. Confirm whether the signed-in account has Teams Premium or Microsoft 365 Copilot. If Record and Transcribe is missing or locked during meetings, hover over the locked control to read the reason. Send the exact message to the Teams admin and ask them to check the user's Teams meeting policy for meeting recording and transcription. This separates a real missing recap from a license or policy limit. Basic recap needs a recorded or transcribed scheduled meeting, while intelligent recap features need Teams Premium or Microsoft 365 Copilot. At this point, the missing recap is either visible from the meeting's calendar or chat recap page, or the screen clearly shows the real blocker, whether that is no recording or transcript source material, missing access to the recording or transcript, or a Teams Premium, Copilot, or admin policy requirement. Congratulations, you have completed the tutorial.